Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So when I started this channel around 3 weeks ago, I promised myself that I will not invest in any equipment until I feel it is very important for the quality of my content. So finally bought a mic at a very good price. I did not want to invest a lot, and I think that's the case with a lot of new and upcoming creators. And this mic which I'm recording with just now is amazing at the price point. It has ton of features. With that being said, welcome to the first unboxing video of the channel. This is Ashwani Pawar. You're watching Ashen Tech. So the mic is from Holy Land. The model is Lark M1. They do have other models as well, but I went with this one. It is good for vlogging, streaming, podcasting, YouTube videos, basically for any small content creator or even for professional people as well. It has ton of great reviews online. It comes with active noise cancellation, 6 feet of transmission, 8 hours of battery life, and I think there's a charging case inside. So if you're using it with that, it can last up to 20 hours. It works with both Android phone and with iPhones. It is good to work with cameras as well. I went with the configuration of 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. It also comes in the configuration of 1 receiver and 1 transmitter. It also comes in multiple colors. That's the good part. And that's the carry case it comes with, which is actually very sturdy. The zipper looks good. It is made out of plastic, but it is very sturdy. And there you have it. That's the mic, but let's go through the wires first. There are two 3.5mm jack cable. I think these are for the cameras if somebody wants to use it with their mirrorless or DSLR cameras. That's the USB-C cable to charge. That's the best part. It charges on USB-C. This is the cable to connect it to your iPhone. It's the lightning port cable. I think there should be a USB-C cable as well in there somewhere. Those are the documentation. And these are the mic heads. Since it comes with 2 transmitters or mic, so there are 2 mic heads, and yeah, this is the USB-C cable to attach it to any Android phone. And there you have it. This is the mic, another outer layer of film on the mic as well to protect it. The company is really awesome. They personally reached out to me after I bought the mic that in case I have any issues, I can tell them directly, or else I can reach out to them anytime in next 1 year. That's the warranty on the mic. This is the receiver, and those are the 2 mics. Really good looking. The case is also nice quality, and it charges in the case, so that's the best part. I really like it. And I've been recording on this mic. So far everything looks great and awesome. Highly recommended for anybody looking for a good economical mic. I think this is the one to go with. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so definitely check it out. And there you have it. This is the mic I'm gonna be using for all my videos in the near future.